Hola everyone, it's me Lokayach and welcome back. So this video is very quick because this is a mini contest. And for the prize, here they are. Now that you know what is my prize, here's a simple mechanics on how to join. This is my Instagram. Send one of your recent best work. Not an old one, but recent one. Maybe past 30 days. From April 11, that is today, until April 17. Now after I've gathered all of the entries, I will compile them in a video and I will upload it here in my channel, so make sure that you subscribe. So I am not going to decide who will be the winner. It will be the community here in YouTube. Now on each photo I will add your social media handle, whether it's an IG or maybe your Facebook account, and then the most number of people that will comment your name in the comment section, you are the winner. Once the video is uploaded, the vote starts. So that would be from April 18 until April 24, 11:59 p.m. Philippine time. I will count the votes on April 25 to 26, and then I will announce the winner by maybe on the 27th. Once again, here are the prizes. So these are all 3D lashes, 15mm, and there are 5 of them on this hard magnetic case. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm really excited to know you too. I want to reach out to all of the creative people and talented makeup artists out there. I think that's all for now. Bye bye.